Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello dear viewers. In this video I'm going to tell you how to use your LaserJet Pro printer through Wi-Fi network. You can also give print commands through your Android phone. So here I have turned on the printer and you can see the blue light blinking. It means that the Wi-Fi has not been set up yet. However, if you want to know about the USB settings of the same printer, I have also made a video on that topic. The link is right now being shown above. You can see that video too. So first of all, for the Wi-Fi setup, we have to just type support HP drivers on Google, and here you can see in the second place the official HP printer drivers and software websites link is being shown. You have to double click on that link and then you can see that here they are asking for the identification of your printer. You would enter the relevant name of the printer or the model right in that box, and then they give you the options, and from here you can see the different printer models are being shown. You select your model and then you are given with the download option. Click on that icon of download and then you can see that within 2 to 3 seconds the download would start. So viewers, here you can see the download has begun. Right now at the bottom of the web page you can see the download is being shown. So when the download is complete, just close that window and now see in your computer's download section right at the top the software is being shown. Double click on it and then the file extracting has started here. It would take some seconds, some moments. Once the installation is complete, you would see this tab. Let's get started, continue, and then next, and here you check this box at the bottom and then click next. So now they are asking for two options, automatic setup or manual. If you select automatic, that is recommended. However, I am trying with the manual setup, and then from here I have selected the Wi-Fi network and then it's searching the printer. Let's see what happens. And here we have the message, printer found, automatically add your printer to your wireless network. So now I have to just check that box because automatically the printer would be found by the Wi-Fi network. Automatically configuring the device. The process is continuing, waiting for the device to join your wireless network. So here device sharing was turned off, so I would have to turn on the device sharing and then everything would be settled. Again the device search is continuing. Printer found. And so I have to click on next to use the detected IP address to finish the whole process. And from here after clicking next you can see the installation is going to be completed. It would take some time and then Wi-Fi option would be operational and I would be able to directly take a printout through using the Wi-Fi connection. As you see, Wi-Fi direct printing. So this is done. This was quite easy. If you follow the steps one by one as they are mentioning, you can easily set up the Wi-Fi network setting. And this is being shown here. The whole setting is being shown, you can see. So now you can see the shortcut has been created on the desktop as well. Setup complete. Congratulations, you have finished printer setup. And you can use various tools. There are a few tools and some settings shown here. You can see and look to the status of your printer, the ink, the number of pages that you can print from that cartridge and all that. So this was the process of using your HP LaserJet Pro M15W printer through Wi-Fi. Now we would be just take a test print to see that if it is working or not. So you have to go to settings and here find the printer or scanner, and then here you can see the HP LaserJet offline, and the other one, that is the network, it is not offline, it is working. We can see here in the queue that there is no document to be printed. So we would check that whether the Wi-Fi setup is working or not. Right now you can see two setups are there. One is offline, that is the USB one, and the second in the list after HP LaserJet M14 offline is not second in the printer scanners list, it is the third one, that is the network printer setting. So I would take some print of some document to check now that the Wi-Fi setup is working properly. So let's take this document, and here I have given now the print command, print. So let's see. So you can see the print is mashallah coming out, and the USB cable is right now at the back, and the print is just being given through the Wi-Fi setup. So this is how it's quite easy to set up the Wi-Fi settings of your printer. You can see here there is no USB cable attached at all. This USB sort of thing that you can see is of the mouse, and this is the USB cable. So we have here successfully, by the grace of the Almighty Allah, given the print out through using the Wi-Fi direct settings. Viewers, if you consider that this video has added to your knowledge in some respect, then kindly don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up. And if you are new here, most welcome. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.